Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet. Select your account. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can turn on NFC, set Google Pay as your default, set up payment card, check if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable your review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.